Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you have admin rights in both Outlook/Microsoft 365 and Go High Level. Once that's confirmed, open Go High Level and navigate to Settings, then Company Settings, and choose Email Services. Make sure you know whether you'll use Microsoft's OAuth flow or a pre-registered app. Using OAuth is simpler and more secure. Now click the Connect Outlook option. This begins the authorization exchange. Stay focused here, because this step creates the permission link that lets GHL send and read email for automation. Once you trigger authorization, follow Microsoft consent prompts carefully and grant mail. Send mail, read write and profile permissions so GHL can operate fully. If you registered an app, paste client ID and secret into GHL instead, then test the token exchange. Next, select and map the correct mailbox or a shared inbox inside Go High Level. This ensures campaigns and two-way threads use the intended sender. If you opted for manual credentials, double-check SMTP and a map host, port, and security settings before proceeding. After mapping, send a test email from GHL to confirm delivery, and reply to it to verify inbound routing back into your GHL threads. Once done, enable logging in GHL and monitor for token expiration warnings so you can reauthorize proactively. If something fails, make sure the Microsoft admin consent includes delegated permissions and inspect firewall or conditional access rules that may block API calls. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun the OAuth flow from an admin account and review the consent history in Azure to identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.